Yeah.
Wag siya mag-ano.
Don't challenge it too hard. Just rebound niya.
Ate.
Kailangan mo sa rebound. Let's go, Blue!
Let's go, Blue! Pala tigas ng katawan niyo. Ano rin nila yan?
Rebound! Yan. Nice, Miguel.
Go back. Yeah, good hands, people. Hands up.
Hands up! Defense! Nice.
Go, stop reaching, buddy. Come on. Let's go, Blue.
Yun. Hands up! Defense! Yan.
Defense!
Hands up!
Hands up! Wala. Hindi lagi pasko.
Behind you, Sander!
Patay kayo dito. Bam! Sayang. Go! Yan, angat! Yun, sabi ko, huwag na i-goal. Yun, matatouch talaga.
Good hands, people. Tough D, boys.
Matako tayo sa init at takot.
Hands up.
Hassel! Hands up!
That's okay.
Wala pa tayo 8 minutes, third quarter. Defense! Una nakasip ko.
No three, boys.
Teka yan. Yo! Ganda.
Let's go.
Yung panabla kahapon eh.
Hands up.
Hands up!
It's okay. Let's go. Let's go, Blue.
Yan, angat! Yan, Isa pa. Sayang, wala katulong.
Good.
Hassel! Hands up! Nice! Laki ng tulong talaga pag may matangkad. Nice! Yan, Sayang.
Turn around.
Defense!
Yeah, elbow.
Hassel!
Hands up.
Hassel!
Go.
Yan, nice, Kyler. May siko yun, ate. Kita mo yun, ha?
Go back.
Tagulan eh.
Filipino looks.
Yeah, good call.
Good call.
Let's go, Blue.
Technical ka ngayon. Technical mo rin. May reklamo eh.
Sinabi ng coach,
May reklamo yung
Let's go, Blue.
Nagalit na sa inyo. Bilan nyo na lang ng burger yung coach nyo. Para matahimik. Nice, Sander! Ayan.
Turn around. Miguel, turn around.
Rebound! Yun! Wala! Yan, harap mo ang katawan mo. Yan. Di ba? Panis!
Turn around.
Pinapanis lang ni ko yung malaki.
Come on, hands up, everybody, hands up!
Wala na. Na-save.
Go reach.
Nag-foul na si Kyle. Para maka-sub na yun.
Go, boys.
Oo, sayang.
Mamaya nakaupo na, graduate na pala.
Yep. Yeah, give him some pressure. Good job, Sylvian. Cover him up. Yeah.
Stay with it.
Defense!
Hands up.
Box out, Tor! Nice, Tor! Yan! Go, Sylvian! Yan, kaya mo yan, Sander! Nice, Sander! Good job, Sander!
Good go, boys. Hands up, hands up.
Hands up.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yun! Sayang!
Nice try, nice try.
Good hustle! Galing!
Good hustle, boys.
Buti lalaki yung nasa
Kaya nga, sa pool lamang.
babae yung baka mamaya eh.
Kamukha rin ni JJ yung nandun yun. Kamukha rin ni JJ. Ayun, kamukha rin ni JJ.
Yeah, hands up.
Defense!
Nice, Tor!
Yeah. Look up.
Help!
Go, Sylvian.
Go, Tor! Kaya mo yan! Yan, oh! Yun! Pag-open. Oh, time out.
Good job, boys.
Good job, Tor! Yun. Pala siya. Oh, nakashoot. Bilhan mo ng sapatos yun. Nakashoot eh.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo, pag nakashoot, bibili na ng sapatos.
Ayari ka, kasi siya. Marinig ka ng anak mo,
Ay.
patay ka. Pag narinig ka ng anak mo,
Gusto, sandali lang si JJ. Oh. Alam na niya pass.
Kaya nga.
I'm so happy.
Pag nakita
Pag-ikot
niya.
niya, alam niya agad.
Ang laki na yung
Sana nga mag-improve pa. Oh, very good game daw. No matter what. Kanino?
assistant coach ng O'Neal yan eh.
Oo, at least napapanood niya.
Yung coach ng O'Neal, yung naka-gray sweater, anak niya. Kaya,
Hindi ba ulit din?
bako si JJ.
Oo, O'Neal din pala.
Nakita ngayon nila na may ginagagawa.
Oo.
Ano kayo?
Kaya-
Sayang kung bigla gamitin, you know?
Kaya sabi ko sa'yo,
Pinupunan, JJ.
Yeah, we're teaching him how to dribble the ball. Just like keep it up in the air.
Now he's actually reacting with his eyes instead of his mind.
Yeah,
Look at his heart, he just wants to hold it.
exactly. Hands up!
Wala. Rebound.
Go!
Wala. Pinato na lang. Go, Sander! Oh, out of bounds.
Go, Blue! Go, Blue!
Ah, sayang. Okay lang. Go, Tor! Nice! Good D!
Hey, look at other side!
Sayang, open na seal din. Foul. Ha? Out of bounds? Kinakausap si Miguel ng banda niya. Ano kayo sinasabi? Nice, Kobe! Yan, siya pa.
Go, Reese! Hands up!
Go, Tor!
Good.
Ako, wag.
Good.
Nice break niyan, diretso mo. Yun, sayang, isa pa. One more. Bang, sayang. Defense.
Turn around.
Kailangan talaga sa lubatira nila. Nice, Tor! Ba, wag mo sabi papasok pa yan.
Good job, Dagger. Look up. No, Sylvian!
Oh, okay lang.
It's okay.
Na-foul. Na-foul pa eh.
Man. That's okay. Udah foul na yan.
Kalaban natin itong mga black, golden ticket daw to. Mga nagta-travel pa sa Europe. Tapos tatalunin lang kayo ng mga Pilipino. Yan! Diretso mo, Kobe! Nice! Oh, anis!
Hands up, hands up!
Pinakasikat daw na team to sa ano eh. Saskatchewan, itong golden ticket.
Defense! Defense!
Yan, yan! Yun!
Look at Sylvian, look at Sylvian!
Go, Migs! Shoot it! Bang! Oh, sayang! Oh, pagtigal, sayang. Bumabas.
Yeah!
Yun, yun, yun.
Hands up, hands up!
Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up!
Naku, na-open. Patay. Go, Sander!
Yes.
Foul, foul, foul. Good call, rep.
Good job, Xander!
Oh, lamang tayo, lamang. Yan, tambakan nyo na para... Ayan na, pasok na si Kolokoy. Yan, yan, sabihan. Sabi niya, hyper ka. Hassle, hassle dapat kailangan. Yung talagang aggressive. Shoot, G. Oh, wala. Good try. Hanap na open. Open spot.
Wow, good call, good call. Good job, Kobe!
Yan, sa laksak para makakuha ng foul. Yan, papalit na ulit si ano, center. 6'7" ang height.
Kahapon kasi mas malaki.
Bang!
Pero sabi sa kanya, don't take anyone.
Take time, Kobe! Isa lang, isang shot lang. Para kahit pa paano eh, makalamang-lamang na marami. Talunin natin itong mga
Kobe!
ano, golden
Top
ticket.
team, top team!
Pag nag-Europe pa daw to eh, itong mga ano, lumadayo pa daw sa Europe.
Yeah, good, good, Sylvian! Good job! Yeah!
Yan, good hustle! Nice! Good! Nice, Kobe! Oh, sayang!
Oh!
Kinakapos sila sa layup eh, no?
Stick with him! Stick with
Yan, ulit pa ulan.
Hands up!
Hands up! G! Shit.
Okay.
Dapat doon sa gilid yun eh. Oh, yan, no, black. Warning yung black. Warning black. Hindi.
Go, Blue!
Go blue!
Naku, sayang. Ano yun? Ah, naipagpasa. Okay na.
Ano yun?
Kinamaan, no, yung pag-inbound.
Okay, let's go, Blue!
G, sa likod! G, sa likod mo! Ayan.
Defense! Come on!
G, sa likod!
Yeah!
Gigi!
Yeah, go, Sylvian!
Go, Sylvian! Come on! Come on!
Good.
Shoot there!
Right there, shoot it!
Shoot!
Shoot! Yay! Woo!
Let's go, Sylvian!
Good job, good job!
Let's go!
Defense! Defense!
Tres.
Let's go, let's go! Hands up, hands up!
Backs out, G! Backs out!
Yeah, yeah, good job, JJ!
Ako, isa. Help, help, help! Nice block! G, takbo na!
Good, JJ!
Side, G, side!
Good, good.
JJ, come on!
Shoot, Toby!
Yo! Good, Sylvian!
Stand the ball! Stand the ball!
Good.
Yan, yan! Wala, wala!
Yeah!
Go, Jay! Hold, 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 hold! G, unahan mo siya, G! Unahan mo! Go, Thor! Nice, Kobe!
Yeah!
Yay!
Good job, boys! Turn around, turn around! Turn around!
Yan na, lumalamang na tayo. Tambakan nyo na malala.
Yeah, oh, good
Yun!
job!
Good job!
Good job, Sylvian!
Nice!
On you!
Yan! All the way!
Yes,
Foul,
good
foul,
job.
foul, foul. Good job, good job. Woo!
Good job,
Oh,
Sylvian!
dapat free throw na. Nag 2 step na eh. Nakatayo pa sila pag may sasab. Talagang tumatayo pa eh, no? Move! 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 Nice! Ganda! Score, score. 69. 48 seconds! G! Hindi na makakasalta yan. Sinusubuan.
Yeah, yo. Yeah.
Nako! Tumatira!
Oh, yeah.
Takbo na! G! Takbo! Sa gilid! Nice, Toby!
Hands up, hands up.
Talunin natin itong mga European dito. Nag-Europe. Nice! Good job! Oh!
One shot. One shot.
11 seconds! G!
11 seconds.
Last shot! 11 seconds!
8,
7, 6, 5, 4.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, sayang. Wala. Ayos, ayos, ayos. Third quarter, third quarter. Ayos. Tinambakan.